Hey guys, welcome to OmniVision Studio. Here we are with the new exciting tutorial. Let's have a look at this glitch effect in After Effects. Open After Effects and drag the video file into a new composition. Now we are going to apply the glitch effect to this video. Go to Effects and Presets, and search for Glitch Effect, and drag the VR digital glitch on the video. Under the Effect Controls, increase the distortion value to 100, reduce the distortion value to 0. I'm also going to expand the noise settings, and increase the noise strings to add a little graininess. It's good enough for me. Close the distortion, click the stopwatch next to Master Amplitude, which will create a starting keyframe. Since you want to start without any glitch, change the Master Amplitude to 0. Next, use your keyboard page up key to move 3 frames forward in the timeline, and set the amplitude to 100, and then move the playhead another 3 frames forward and send it back to 0. Now repeat the process, until you are satisfied with the effect result. We are going to speed up this process. Now press Shift+S for scale and P for the position. Let's increase the scale somewhere around 115. Now click the stopwatch toggle next to the position, to create a certain keyframe, then move the playhead 1 frame forward, and adjust the position of your video in the frame. Doing this will create a second keyframe. Next, you'll just need to move the playhead 1 more frame forward and reset the position of the video. Just move the playhead forward another frame and reposition the video again, and finally, move it forwards another frame, and reset the position of the video. You can keep doing this for a while if you want a longer glitch effect. If you want more than one glitch effect, so for that, you'll just select all your keyframes, and copy and paste them a little later on. I really like how this looks now. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.